welcome back to my channel.
I already in my story, like don't know.
And don't you know how sweet it tastes? How sweet it tastes? Yeah, don't you know how sweet it tastes? How sweet it tastes? Yeah, don't you know how sweet it tastes? Now that I'm without you.
Start off light. So we're in Michael's right now. We're trying to find pumpkins that we can paint. I saw people doing that on TikTok, but we're only seeing like plushy pumpkins, soft pumpkins, and I'm seeing like Christmas decorations. I don't know, maybe we'll find something else to paint, but we're thinking about going to the beach tomorrow, and I will vlog. Yes, it's cold. It's actually Halloween today, but for some reason the weather's in the 70s today and tomorrow, so we're like, okay, it's the last time we can go to the beach. And I wasn't here for the summer, as you guys know, so I want to go before it gets really, really cold outside. And so we got out of Michael's, we got these canvases, and we decided we're gonna paint these because we couldn't find any pumpkins. We're gonna paint these tomorrow. We're gonna do something a little different, so stay tuned for that. I know we decided to go to the beach in November, but like I said, guys, the weather calls for it. We're in Sephora by the perfumes. Listen, guys, La Vie est Belle. So I was gonna tell you guys to get this. This is a classic. I love it. I always get compliments on it. And then I just smelled this. Oh my gosh, it's amazing. It smells like a Jolly Rancher. So I might actually get it. Or maybe I'll like treat myself with it. But yeah. Okay guys, it's the next day. It's November 1st and I'm getting ready to go to the beach. This is the outfit for today. I kind of feel overdressed, but it's just a brown dress. Okay, I'll get a better angle later. I'm wondering if I should keep my glasses on or wear some sunnies. No, this is kind of giving the Matrix. I don't hate it. Maybe if I take pictures. There. Ooh. I'm just waiting for my friend to pick me up and we're gonna head to the beach. It is November 1st and we're going to the beach. It is November 1st and I have on a summer dress. Yeah. So we're trying to figure out if we're still gonna paint today. Oh my god, it's so windy. Trying to expose my hair. This is a nice park though, like it has a beach. So we were gonna go to the beach, but Erica didn't want to be in the sand and changed her mind. So yeah, it's fine because it's super windy and we're not even at the beach. So it would have been worse at an actual beach. Wasn't ready for the world. But we brought all of our painting supplies. I got a clip. We'll see. Okay, I'll try. I asked her for a scrunchie. She had a laundry clip. I got a clip. Okay, it's super windy, so we're probably gonna paint another day. We're gonna bring stuff back to the car and maybe just walk around. This looks so pretty. Hold on. Oh my. I've made so much progress. I've unpacked technically 5 boxes. I have this 5th box over here, but I decided to put any clothes that I'm selling in that box. But yeah, look at that. And then once I fold these up, the room is gonna look better. Freshly washed and blow dried, and tomorrow my friend is gonna come and braid my hair. So yeah, I'll see you guys tomorrow. Hey guys, it's the next morning. We're gonna see how my braids are looking. Of course, I saw them last night. Nicole finished my hair at like 11:45 last night. So I just tied down my hair and went to sleep. But let's see it in the light. Ooh, okay. Wow. She did an amazing job. She always does an amazing job. Like, so we have some 350. This is color 350. And we did 1 row of blonde at the bottom. 613, right? Can you see? And then we did like a peekaboo of blonde on this side, on my right side. So, you know, yeah, super cute. And it's gonna look even better like once I get dressed and do my makeup and all of that. But yeah, I'm about to shower. Oh yeah, and I don't usually do middle parts. It'll look so much better once I style it and stuff. But she did an amazing job. It's so pretty. Oh my gosh. I'm gonna put the inspo pics in right here. So cute. I love it. She started at 7 o'clock in the morning and then finished at 11:45 last night. So it took time because I got it so long. It's down to my butt. So that's why it took so long. But yeah, definitely worth it. And I'm so excited to take pictures with my new hairstyle. Stay tuned, okay? Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Where that noise come from? Alright. Hey guys, so now we're in a parking lot. We're gonna spend the night taking pictures. We've already taken some really good ones. Follow us on Instagram. I'll leave all our Instagrams down below, or like just pop them up right here. The pictures are coming out really cute so far, so I'm really excited for you to see. Yeah. We took some group ones, but they were very, very blurry. But yeah, stay tuned. I'm going for like a cold girl winter look, hence the fuzzy hat, the fuzzy jacket, and all the blush like across my nose and whatnot. I mean, y'all will see the vision and if it came to fruition on my Instagram.
Say do yours first. Yeah.
Let me just show you that.
What if I want to?
Alright. Rock, paper, scissors. Rock, paper, scissors. Wait, no. It's okay, I'll go first. Because I need to be, like, if you stand right here, I got you from the I got you. From right here. Sure. No, literally, I got you from right here. No, literally, like, you stand right here. I got you. Right. Who's going first?
I'm gonna go first.
Yeah. All right. Let me show you how I got you. Wait. Erica tried to take Asia's picture from right here. Yeah, it's gonna work. It's just cool. It's gonna work. Asia's doing her touch-ups, and then we're gonna get into it. I'm crying. I'll show you, Erica.